Okay, my name is Yaman Nagash. I'm a student in Coding Dojo, and my assignment is my red belt assignment or exam is creating this app or this application. So people they have to log in, register over here, then they can log in if they're already registered before. Then once they log in over here, then they transfer them in the page. So this is like people the code over here or the message over here show us over here whoever sign over here the name it came welcome Joe or welcome Imana or welcome David John whoever sign over there. Then they can quote over here. So whenever time when they quote over here it goes over here. Then once it goes over here, if people choose that's their favorite quotes or the favorite message, it goes they can transfer it over here by clicking this button. Then over here they have an option to remove or to leave it there, or they can remove it by clicking this button. So basically register, login, goes this page, then from this page it take them, they can cut over here, they can leave their message over here. So from here it goes over here. From here they have option to transfer to favorites or to close. So this is our assignment. So we're gonna go through the codes. So my title is Red Belt Test. Then all those things I put it in 4 parts. In this for 3 parts. So in the system part, I use the library in the form validation because I'm gonna use the form. So it's good to have like the form validation. We will see that one. And this is the reds, the assets. So we keep the everything the CSS, or we can keep the Java over here too. But in this case, I have only the CSS. So this is where I keep it. And the application, which is the main part. Then in the application, there is view, models, and a controller. This is the main thing I put my every information. So the view part I have two page, as we see. The first page, this page, which is the main page, and the codes page, which is this part. So the view, whenever time when people see, when they log in or when they put that the URL address over here, then it show them the first part. So this is the view. So in my end, I create this one. So we have a login over here and the register over here. And the models, which is everything about the database, we keep it over here. So as we see, we have two page. So I create two different page for the codes and for the registration. And the controller, which is the logic part. When we sign up over here, it take us to the database, and it take us over here. From here, take us over here. Like the logic happened over here on the controller. So we're gonna go on the main page. This is optional data method, a date method, time zone. So we're not required to have this one, but it's kind of optional to go over here. And in a view, every HTML form we keep it in a view part. So as we see, we have a login form over here, the first form, and the registration form over here. So in a between, we see this part. So this part is, we can keep it in a different page, but it's good to have, make it easy for people who use our application, make it easy instead of go back another page and take them another page and come back. So instead of that, if people make error, we have to validate their form. Like for example, just I people like without putting any information, if they try to register, it tells them the name field is required, the alias field is required, the email address is field required. So that's what it is, this one. So a validation is like a rule, set of rule, like uh, we direct them people how to use that application. So people, if they put any wrong information or wrong thing, like